What's up guys, it's Aaron from Hack Tunes by Bros. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get abs in 1 week for kids ages 12 to 13 or whatever age group, it doesn't matter. This is how you get abs. So really simple guys, I'm just going to give it in a caloric deficit. What that means is you're going to eat less calories than you burn. And that you need to survive. So basically if you're trying to lose weight and trying to lose weight around the stomach area, you're gonna cut down the calories 50 per day than you normally eat to maintain your weight. So figure out your maintenance weight, figure out how much calories you need to maintain your weight, and then eat a little bit less than that. And that's really what you're gonna do to get abs. Honestly, it's 80% nutrition. Don't eat a lot of junk food, don't eat a lot of sweets, and you're gonna start to see your stomach flatten out. Losing stomach fat is the hardest to burn, it's the most stubborn, so you just gotta be patient and keep going with it. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, read the word, and it's changed my life and it can change your life as well. Click the notifications bell for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys later. God bless.